First of all, we take the matrix form. The matrix form of given equations. Given equations, a system of linear equations is, so here first matrix, first row elements taken from the first equation. So x coefficient is 1, y coefficient is 2, z coefficient is -1. Next second row elements 3, x coefficient 3, y coefficient 1, z coefficient 1. Here third equation we can take third row. So x coefficient 1, y coefficient -1, z coefficient is 2. And this matrix into xyz matrix that equal RHS sign matrix taken as -3, 4, 6. Okay, we can write in the matrix form. Okay, so next, this is same as like this. This matrix is capital A, this matrix is capital X, and this matrix is taken as capital B. So we are using matrix inversion method kada. So for that we take the formula capital X is equal to A inverse B. Now we find A inverse. A inverse find out shall we find A inverse equal 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Okay, this is we can find. For that we find the cofactor elements. The cofactor elements of A. The cofactor elements of A. A matrix ఏంటి ఇక్కడ రాసుకుందాం. A matrix ఎందుకంటే మనకు ప్రతిసారి ఏమంటారు కెమెరా పైకి కిందికి కత్తిపలేకపోతుంది. సో హియర్ 1 2 -1 1 2 -1 3 1 1 3 1 1 1 -1 2 1 -1 2. This is A matrix. Now we find cofactor matrix of A. Okay, so for that first element we can find capital A11. Here A11 equal 1. That implies capital A11 equal, removing first row, first column, and take the formula -1 whole to the power of 1 plus 1 into determinant has 1 1 -1 2. Okay, 1 1 -1 2. Removing first row and first column, remaining elements taken has the determinant values 1 1 -1 2. Okay, so next this value -1 whole square taken as +1, and this value 1 into 2 2 minus 1 into -1 -1. Okay, so 2 minus half -1 plus 1. So 2 plus 1 3. 3 into 1 3. Next A12. A12 is equal to 2 na. So 2. That implies capital A12 cofactor element of this element taken -1 whole to the power of 1 plus 2. Determinant has, so here we are removing the first row and second column. So remaining elements taken as determinants 3 1 1 2. Okay, 3 1 1 2. Next we can find this value -1 whole power 3 -1 అవుతుంది. Next this value 3 to 6 -1 into 1 1 6 minus 1 5 5 into -1 -5. Okay, this value also got it. Next A13 equal, A13 is equal -1 na, -1. That implies capital A13 equal -1 whole to the power of 1 plus 3. Take the determinant value. So here first row and third column removing, first row third column removing, remaining elements taking here the determinant element 3 1 1 -1 3 1 1 -1. So now this value -1 whole power 4 -1 whole power 4 taken +1. Next 3 into -1 -3 -1 into 1 1. Okay, -3 -1 -4 -4 into 1 -4. Okay, this value also got it. Next, A21. A21 element is 3. Okay, so 3, that implies capital A21 equal capital A21 element minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 1 determines. Here we are removing the second row and first column. Second row and first column removing. Remaining elements are 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. 2 minus 1 minus 1. Enti second row first column. Second row first column. 2 minus 1 minus 1 2. Okay. So that equal minus 1 whole power 3 taken minus 1. And next this value 2 to 4 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 4 minus 1 3. 3 into minus 1 minus 3. That value is also we got it, that is minus 3. Next. A22 is equal to 1. That implies capital A22 equal minus 1 whole to the power of 2 plus 2 determinant value. So here second row second column removing. So remaining elements taken here the determinants 1 minus 1 1 2. So now minus 1 whole power 4. Minus 1 whole power 4 taken to positive 1. Next 1 into 2 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. So 2 minus half minus 1 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 take 3. 3 into 1 3. Okay, we got it. Next A23. A23 equal this one. A23 plus element is 1. So now capital A23. We are removing second row and third column. Remaining elements taken as determinants values 2 plus 3 determinants are taken as 1 2 1 minus 1. Okay. So removing second row and third column 1 2 1 minus 1 at the determinant value minus 1 whole power 5 taken minus 1. 1 into minus 1 minus 1 as minus 2 into 1 2. Okay. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. Okay. So next we take it A31 element. A31 is equal to 1. That implies capital A31 equal minus 1 whole to the power of here. So we have the third row and first column. So we take 3 plus 1 and take the determinant is here removing third row and first column. Remaining elements are taken as determinant values. So 2 minus 1 1 again. So values determinant value 2 into 1 2 minus 1 into 1 minus 1. So here 2 minus half minus plus 1. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 into 1 3. So next A32. A32 value is A32 equal minus 1 whole to the power of here I is equal 3 and j is equal 2. So my next determinant values here we are removing the third row and second column. Remaining elements 1 minus 1 3 1. Okay. Oh. Next minus 1 whole power 5 taken to negative 1. 1 into 1 1 minus 1 into 3 minus 3. 1 minus half minus plus 3. 1 plus 3 4. 4 into minus 1 minus 4. Next after that we take A33 element is 2. Capital A33 we can find. Capital A33 equal minus 1 whole to the power of 3 plus 3 and take the determinant. Removing the third row and third column. Take the determinant values 1 2 3 1. Minus 1 whole power 6. Minus 1 whole power 6 taken to positive 1. Next 1 into 1 1 minus 2 into 3 6. So that is 1 minus 6 minus 5 now minus 5 into 1 minus 5. Okay, over. All are we can find out. Next up we find adjoint A. Adjoint A formula. Adjoint A equal capital A11, capital A12, capital A13, capital A21, capital A22, capital A23, capital A31, capital A32, capital A33. Now substitute all values. Capital A11 is equal 3. Capital A12 is equal minus 5. A2, capital A2 is 3. Capital A2 3, 3. Next after that, capital A3 1, 3. A3 2, minus 4. A3 3, minus 5. This is adjoint A matrix. Now we find determinant A. Determinant A formula. A11 into capital A11, A12 into capital A12 plus A13 into capital A13. Okay, this is determinant A formula. Okay, now we find the value. Determinant A equal, A11 is equal 1 first element. 1 into capital A11, 3. A12 value is 2 into A12 minus 5. A13 minus 1. Next, capital A13 is minus 4. Determinant A equal 1 into 3, 3. 2 into minus 5, minus 10. Minus 1 into minus 4, plus 4. Okay. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 minus 10, minus 3. Determinant A is equal minus 3. Minus 3. Okay, na? So, 3 minus 10 minus 7. Minus 7 plus 4, minus 3. Determinant A value is not is equal 0. So, A inverse is exist. A inverse formula 1 by determinant A into adjoint A. Okay, the values are substituted. 1 by determinant A and 1 by minus 3 into determinant adjoint A is this one. 3 minus 3.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
Tell me.
Sir, sorry. ఇప్పుడు ఈక్వల్ టు 0 అయితే మ్యామ్ వాల్యూ అంతా 0 మ్యామ్.
డిటర్మినెంట్ ఏ 0 అయింది అనుకోండి, ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ కాదు. ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అయితేనే ఈ ప్రాబ్లం చేయాలి. అర్థమైందా? కంపల్సరీ ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఈ స్టెప్. ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఇస్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ దెన్
ఓకే మ్యామ్.
నెక్స్ట్ వచ్చేటటువంటి స్టెప్ కి ఫాలో అవుతాం. ఎప్పుడు ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ ఇస్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ దెన్ ఆఫ్టర్ దట్ వి గో టు నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్. ఓకే, సో ఏ ఇన్వర్స్ వచ్చేసింది మనకు. Now we find capital X. Capital X formula A inverse B. So A inverse is this one, 1 by minus 3 into determinant matrix form. 3 minus 3, 3 minus 5, 3 minus 4. Next one. Minus 4, 3, minus 5. Okay? That into ఇక్కడ B value. B value ఏముంది మనకు స్టార్టింగ్ లో? B is equal minus 3, 4, 6. రైట్ సైడ్ కాన్స్టెంట్స్ మ్యాట్రిక్స్ గా తీసుకున్నాను చూడండి, అదే B value. So now we find this matrix multiplication. X equal minus 1 by 3 into capital
Ma'am, constant value ఏం తీసుకోరు మ్యామ్? కాన్స్టెంట్
కాన్స్టెంట్ చూడండి, ఇక్కడ 3 into minus 3 ఫస్ట్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ మల్టిప్లైడ్ ప్లస్ minus 3 into 4 సెకండ్ ఎలిమెంట్స్ ప్లస్ నాకు థర్డ్ ఎలిమెంట్ 3 into 6. నెక్స్ట్ సెకండ్ రో minus 5, here first element is minus 3, minus 5 into minus 3. Next 3 into 4 plus minus 4 into 6. Next third element's multiplication. Blurrer వస్తుందా? minus 4 into minus 3 plus 3 into 4 plus minus 5 into 6. That equal So 3 into minus 3, minus 9. Minus 3 into 4, minus 12. Plus 3 into 6, plus 18.
18.
Next, minus 5 into minus 3, 15. Plus 3 into 4, 12. Minus 4 into 6, minus 24. So next, minus 4 into minus 3, 12. 3 into 4, 12. Minus 5 into 6, minus 30. Total, we got it. Minus 9, minus 12. Minus 21. Minus 21, 18. Minus 3. Oh, ఇక్కడ minus 1 by 3 ఉంది కదా. Minus 1 by 3 into.
Equals to 1.
This value is minus 3. Okay. Next, 5 plus 12. 7. ఇక్కడ ఎంత వస్తుంది? 5 plus 15 plus 12. 27. 27 minus 24 plus 3. Next, 12 plus 12. 24 minus 30. 24 minus 30 minus 6. Okay. We got it. Minus 3, 3 minus 6. Okay. Minus 3, 3 minus 6. So next step. ఈ వాల్యూ తీసుకొచ్చేసి ఇక్కడ వేస్తున్నాను నేను రైట్ సైడ్. x equal minus 1 by 3 into minus 3, 3 minus 6. Okay. So this is next x value వచ్చేసి ఏమవుతుంది మనకు? Capital X equal minus 1 by 3 into here మనకు వచ్చినటువంటి వాల్యూ minus 3, 3 minus 6 వచ్చేసింది. So this minus 1 by 3 inner functions కి అప్లై చేద్దాము. So that is minus 1 by 3 into 3. Next one minus 1 by 3 into 3. So here minus 3 kada. Next minus 1 by 3 into minus 6. So ikkada minus minus cancel, 3 3 cancel, we got it 1. Here 3 cancel, we get minus 1. Next here minus minus cancel, 3 1s, 3 2 6, we got it 2. 1 minus 1 2. So this is the answer. Okay. So that therefore small x is equal to 1, small y is equal to minus 1, small z is equal to 2. This is solution. Okay. X equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1, z is equal to 2 is the solution. సో ఈ విధంగా ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తాం. ఓకేనా? సో ఈ మెథడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్ని కూడా ఈ విధంగా